Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Let's do another bloom, and let's do it, these three are the same from the last one, or from the last color bloom on the 10 by 20. It might be a few videos ago, but instead of the Indian yellow, I'm going to use Nickel Hazel Gold, which has a little bit of this little piggy Zeus, and Gold Bright Fine. Now this, what size canvas is this? This is about a, let's see, 14, no, yeah, a 10 by 14? 10 by 14 canvas, so the other was a 10 by 20. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Fluorescent blue, golden, permanent violet dark, Amsterdam Quin Rose, Gold Bright Fine by Golden, Nickel Hazel Gold, and this little piggy Zeus. My cell activator today will be Prussian Blue with Australian Floetrol, and I still have some PPG Multi-Pro. Yay! I'm happy about that, so let me add some of that. Well, I have sped up the next two paintings for you because they did not turn out as I wanted, but I thought I'd let you see the process. Anyway, stay tuned for the third one because it turned out gorgeous. Well, you know how they say the third time's a charm. Not really happy with this. It is very kind of thin. I'm not sure if it's thin, or maybe I won't use high for the blow dryer because I want to control it a little bit more. Let's go again. Let's start with our Nickel Hazel Gold and Zeus. I want to see if I can have a little bit negative space. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to go too big. Golden's Gold Bright. Maybe we'll just puddle. Amsterdam Quin Rose. And we'll just do it like that. I don't know. We'll see. Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. Amsterdam Fluorescent Blue. All right. There we go. Just kind of like a bullseye. And you know what? I'm just going to add, no, I'm not. I'm going to stay with what I have. Okay, let me torch the bubbles. And this is our Prussian Blue cell activator with Australian Floetrol. Now I'm going to use a different blow dryer this time. Let's see. Which one shall I use? I think actually I'll use my mini one. I'm going to use my mini one with the attachment. All right, here we go. Nope, we're not using the attachment. That slows it down so much. Okay. Give it a moment to settle up the cells in the middle. All right, so let me scoot this over. We're going to spin it out. Let's hope the third time is the charm. All right, here we go. The glow comes from the Nicolazo gold, I believe. Oh, I'm loving the outlining of this. I see one thing I'm not liking. I'm not sure what that is. What is that? Let me check how much paint is in the... I love the kind of the dark outline, and I don't want to lose that. But let me check. Oh no, we're okay. I don't think I have to spin anymore. I'm not sure. I don't want to mess this up, but what is this? Can I just kind of... do something like that? I can always touch that up a little bit. Actually, let's take some blue on my stick. See if we can start here. All right. All right, my friends, that's beautiful. I'm loving it. I do like this color palette. It is happy. And I like changing the Indian yellow for this type of bloom to the Nicolazo gold and the golden bright. Oh, I see some dots coming up. I'm gonna have to get those. All right, let me get you down for a close-up. This is gorgeous. And then I think we'll move on to another color palette.